Did you know that over 70 million Americans suffer from digestive issues? Surprisingly, potatoes could be the simple solution to help improve your gut health. Potatoes are often seen as just a comfort food, but they hold surprising benefits for digestion. Rich in fiber and essential nutrients, they can help alleviate common digestive problems like bloating and constipation. In this video, we'll explore how incorporating potatoes into your diet can enhance your digestive health and provide you with practical tips to make the most of this versatile vegetable. Many people face digestive issues such as gas, bloating, constipation, and even irritable bowel syndrome. These problems can stem from a variety of factors, including poor diet, lack of fiber, and dehydration. One effective way to combat these issues is through dietary changes. Potatoes are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation by adding bulk to the stool. Additionally, potatoes contain resistant starch, a type of fiber that resists digestion in the small intestine and ferments in the large intestine, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Including potatoes in your meals can positively impact your digestion by providing the necessary nutrients and fiber your body needs. Whether you enjoy them baked, boiled, or mashed, potatoes can be a delicious way to support your gut health while also satisfying your hunger. What are the key benefits of eating potatoes for digestion? High fiber content. Potatoes are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps slow down digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool. When cooked and cooled, potatoes develop resistant starch that acts as food for healthy gut bacteria. This fermentation process produces short-chain fatty acids that can reduce inflammation in the gut and improve overall digestive health. Potatoes are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C and B6, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients play a role in maintaining gut health by supporting proper muscle function in the digestive tract. By incorporating potatoes into your diet regularly, you can experience relief from digestive discomfort while enjoying their delicious taste. Now that we know how beneficial potatoes can be for digestion, here are some practical tips for incorporating them into your meals. Boil potatoes with their skins on to retain maximum nutrients. Enjoy them as a side dish, or mash them with minimal butter or cream. Bake whole potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius until tender. Top with yogurt or cottage cheese instead of sour cream for added protein and probiotics. Make a healthy potato salad by mixing boiled potatoes with olive oil, vinegar, chopped veggies, and herbs. This dish is not only tasty, but also packed with fiber. After cooking potatoes, refrigerate them before eating. This cooling process increases resistant starch content, enhancing their digestive benefits. Experiment with different cooking methods to find what you enjoy most while reaping the benefits for your digestive health. In conclusion, potatoes can be an excellent addition to your diet if you're looking to improve digestion. Their high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, while resistant starch promotes healthy gut bacteria growth. With essential vitamins and minerals supporting overall gut health, it's clear that this humble vegetable has much more to offer than just comfort food status. By making simple changes to include more potatoes in your meals, whether through boiling, baking, or making salads, you can significantly enhance your digestive well-being. Remember that dietary choices play a crucial role in maintaining gut health. Have you tried using potatoes to improve your digestion? I'd love to hear about your favorite potato recipes or any tips you have for better gut health in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health advice. Don't forget to check out my other videos on nutrition and wellness.